Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Chinese Today. I am Daniel. Today we are doing a complete beginner's guide to Chinese Pinyin. What it is, why it matters, how it works, and the best way to learn it so your Mandarin sounds clean, confident, and natural. This is not just a memorize the whole chart video, this is your big picture roadmap. After this, the entire Pinyin system will finally make sense. Let's jump in. What exactly is Pinyin? Pinyin is the official sound system for Mandarin Chinese. It uses Roman letters, but the sounds themselves are completely different from English. Think of Pinyin like a map. Your goal isn't to memorize the map. Your goal is to use the map so you always know how a character should sound. Without Pinyin, pronunciation is guesswork. With Pinyin, you can read and say any new word instantly. Here's something a lot of learners don't know. Pinyin is not the first phonetic system for Mandarin. Before Pinyin was invented, there was Zhuyin, which many people call Bopomofo. Zhuyin was created in the early 1900s as a phonetic system for Mandarin. It uses special symbols, no Roman letters. And it was mainly used to help children and beginners read Chinese. Today, Zhuyin is still widely used in the Taiwan region, especially in early education, children's books, and typing systems. Later, the mainland standardized Hanyu Pinyin, which uses Roman letters and works extremely well for international learners, typing, and modern communication. On this channel, we focus on Pinyin. What is Pinyin made of? Pinyin has 4 key components. The first one, initials, 声母. Initials are the consonant sounds that begin a syllable, like b, p, m, f, d, k, n, l, g, k, h, ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si. We won't learn each one today. This is the overview. The second one, finals, 韵母. Finals are the vowel part, the body of the syllable. And they come in 4 groups. Number 1, simple finals, 单韵母, like a, o, i, u, yu. Number 2, compound finals, 复韵母, vowel combinations such as I, a, o, ya, ye, wa, wei, wei, yo, you. Number 3, nasal finals, 鼻韵母, ending with the letter n or ng. An, on, and combinations like yan, yin, yang, yin, yong, wan, yuan, wen, yun. Number 4, special final. There is only one special final, which is This final behaves differently from other finals and often appears at the end of Northern-style Mandarin words. The third one, tones. Mandarin has 4 tones and 1 neutral tone, like ma, 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 ma. Tones aren't decorations. They change meaning completely. The fourth one, whole-syllable units, 16 in total. These 16 syllables are taught as complete blocks. zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, wu, yu, ye, yue, yuan, yin, yun, yin. Technically, they contain initials and finals, but for beginners, it's easiest to read them as ready-made syllables. What about I and U? Are they initials? This is one of the most common questions from beginners. Here's the truth. E and U are not real consonant initials. They are spelling helpers, and their main function is to mark the start of a new syllable, to prevent vowel sequences from becoming confusing. In other words, E and U are syllable boundary markers. Let's look at why they are necessary. Example 1. E prevents confusion in vowel starting syllables. Take the sound ya. If we wrote it as ya, many people will read it as two sounds, yi and a, like two syllables, but ya clearly shows it's one syllable. Example 2, E prevents syllables from merging. Check this. Dai, da, yi. Without E, both could be written as dai. Without E, both could be written as this one. And absolutely no one would know what you meant. E keeps the syllables separate. Example 3, U does the same for U syllables. Without U, wa would be written wa, wa would be wa, and again, they might be misread as vowel sequences. The U marks the boundary and shows it's one syllable. Big picture recap. The pinyin system includes 23 initials, 24 finals grouped into simple finals, compound finals, nasal finals, and one special final. And in pinyin, there are 4 tones and 1 neutral tone, 16 whole syllable units, and also E, U as essential spelling helpers. Once you see the whole structure, the system becomes clear and logical. Now, here's the part that really matters. How should you actually learn pinyin? This is the learning sequence I recommend to all. Of course, there are many other ways to learn pinyin, but I personally prefer to use this one. Step 1, start with 6 to 8 easy initials plus 6 simple finals. Start simple with easy, clean sounds. Initials like ba, pa, ma, fa, de, te, ne, le. Finals like a, wa, I, u, yu. These help you build a strong foundation before moving to trickier sounds. Step 2. Begin blending immediately. As soon as you learn those sounds, start combining them, all in first tone. Ba, pa, ma, fa, di, ti, ni, fu, lu. This builds muscle memory and smooth pronunciation. Step 3. Introduce tones using familiar syllables. After blending feels natural, then introduce tones using ma, ba, i, u. For example, ma, 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 ma. Because the syllables are familiar, you can fully focus on the tone shapes. This builds real tone awareness. Step 4. Rolling expansion. Whenever you learn something new initials like zhi, chi, shi, new compound finals like I, a, o, nasal finals like an, on, whole syllable units like zhi, chi, shi, you immediately blend it. Practice in 4 tones. Compare with similar sounds. Use it in real words and phrases. This creates natural, continuous pronunciation progress. Why this method works? Because you are learning from simple to complex, building muscle memory first, adding tones at the right time, and constantly connecting new things to old ones. You are not just memorizing charts. You are building a real pronunciation system in your brain. So that's your full beginner's guide to Chinese pinyin, where it came from, how it's structured, how initials, finals, tones, whole syllable units, and even E, spelling helpers all work together, and the most effective step-by-step way to learn it. In the next videos, we'll break down initials, finals, tones, and difficult groups like zhi, chi, shi, and di, qi, xi. If you want your Mandarin pronunciation to be clear, confident, and natural, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the playlist Mandarin Pronunciation and Tones. See you in the next one.